My people in Brampton, do you know what is happening here on Sunday, July 5th at 6 p.m.? Yes, happening here at the Rose Theatre is I Need to Know My Father Part 2. And I say Part 2, not Part 1. Because somehow I get it mixed up with a Part 2. No, if uno think Part 1 did good, hey, Part 2 is gooder. So I expect to see this place sold out on Sunday, because you see the show that we're going Saturday, June 27 at Pickering. The people them showed up, and them showed out. So I have been here bragging and boasting that Bramptonians always show up for Marcia Brown Productions, show them. So uno no bother disappoint me. Now where uno can get the tickets, if uno feel like walking into the kiosk here in the Rose Theatre here, you can purchase your tickets there. Otherwise, you can go online at the Rose Theatre and purchase your ticket. I'm going to put the link below where you can just click on that little link and purchase your ticket. Now, thank you for supporting, and do not disappoint me. Me expect all a Rose Theatre, yes, I go sold out. Lord, when me walk on stage, me supposed to just say, yes, me I smile because the place sold out. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on the day. Thank you, Brampton, for supporting as always.